Okay, here we are with our vintage Wilesco steam engine, a pre-D4 model, and it's heating up right now with some sterno as fuel. We got a good fire under the boiler. Preheated the water in the microwave and loaded up the boiler, so it's come up pretty quick. Let's see if we can't get her to roll. Okay, maybe not yet. Still need a little more pressure there. This one's off of eBay, and it's an exact duplicate of one I had when I was a child that I got from my uncle. I don't have the smokestack on there. It's here, but not nearby. They tend to fall off. I got to spring that connector out a little bit. Oh yeah, fire under there. Nice shiny boiler. It's in good shape. Unfortunately, the one that I have from my childhood is missing this the cam that connects the piston rod to the flywheel. I was looking for parts for it and saw there were many engines for sale on eBay. Went ahead and picked this one up. Actually, it was a pair plus one of the shop tools that you can hook up to it. So I got a few bits and pieces, but we'll just see if we can't get this running here this morning before we get on with the rest of our chores today. Beginning to see some steam vapors popping out there. This originally is supposed to run on a dry fuel tablet called Esbit. I presume this sterno that we're using, cooking fuel here from Walmart, probably giving out just as many calories as the Esbit, although it's a little more messy than the dry tabs. Okay, operational. So we've moved back to the 18th century, and we'll be capable of generating enough power to at least cool down the beer fridge. Good steam there in the video. Hopefully everybody can see that. Alright, it's the Wilesco sterno-powered vintage steam engine. Circa mid-50s, early 60s. Just go to www.wilesco.de.Delta Echo for everything you'd ever want to know about these old toys. They still make them, very modern ones, all kinds of controls and valves, as well as steam tractors and stuff that actually rolls across the room. And they're notorious for dripping water everywhere as the steam condenses. Yeah, I really need the smokestack on there. Unfortunately, like I say, it's not nearby. Okay, yeah, that's about enough of that.